Singtel Young Achievers Awards 2017. Conceptualized by ABBA Events, we create memories. Produced by Video House, an international production house based in Singapore.
Young Achievers Awards. It's an innovative and refreshing format, and Star is proud to have partnered this event. We were overwhelmed by the response and excited to experience the talent on view. Congratulations to all the winners and the participants, and more importantly to the parents who had helped the kids to participate. And of course, a special thanks to my Star team in Singapore who made this event a grand success. Once again, thank you all.
Singapore, the Garden City, is known for its cleanliness, well-developed economy, racial harmony, and temptation for tourists. Did you know that we have hidden gems here? Look at these kids around you. Young Achievers Award is a program that aims at highlighting these extraordinary talents of these youngsters. A show with a difference. Never seen or heard before. Talent of Singapore needs a platform for kids in an environment where emphasis is given to studies. We need a platform to showcase our unique talent. Hence, this concept aims doing just that. Of planning, excellent teamwork, coordination, support from our sponsors, organizers, and team members is finally here.
We're really grateful that something like this has been organized at Singapore level.
Thankful to Vijay TV as well as Singtel. This is a nice opportunity for recognizing the young achievers.
It is exciting to see the response we've received from promoting this concept.
It's a privilege and an honor to get to know about this Young Achievers Award.
I really thank Star Plus, Star Vijay to give such a great opportunity to us.
A lot of parents have supported us through words of encouragement.
Singtel Young Achievers is a very good platform for the kids to showcase their talent.
We got to know about this event from Star Plus on the TV.
Thank you Star Plus and Star Vijay for conducting this competition.
I'm really grateful for this competition to happen, so thank you for this great opportunity.
I got this link from a Global Indian International School Forum.
Schools have supported this initiative, and viewers have spread the word amongst their friends. Awesome response indeed.
We come to know through the Vijay TV advertisement for the Singtel Awards ABA.
We came to know about this Young Achievers program via Vijay TV. So we just saw that advertisement, then we registered here.
Actually, I came to know about this event of the banners which flash on the Facebook, the post which comes on the Facebook.
Just actually gone through the Facebook. I just saw it on TV.
We saw it on Star Plus. Can you see the parents so motivated to bring their kids early Sunday morning for the auditions? Thanks to the parents for bringing the best in their children and encouraging them.
This is my grandson.
This is my daughter. This is my daughter. She's named Gayatri Devi.
My daughter Sneha.
My son is Zaid Azhar.
My daughter Paulina.
I'm Auntie. My daughter name is Simon.
My son name is Keshor Rogan.
I saw the ad at Vijay TV.
Mom, that's my dad.
My mom is Shamla Dina.
This is my mom. Her name's Sunita.
Hi, I'm the father. I'm Himanshu.
It is so touching to see them. Some are really excited. Some more nervous than the children.
Because she planned for 3 kinds of songs, bits. So I was thinking how she'll manage within a few minutes.
I'm a bit nervous. It's my first time.
I really like it here, but I'm extremely nervous.
I'm a little nervous. I'm excited.
Nervous and happy at the same time.
The USP of Young Achievers Award is that it showcases categories like dancing, music, sports, innovation, fashion and culture, and most of all, community services.
My segment was community service. It's a very difficult thing to do community service and sustain it, but the participants who came, they looked very aspired, very driven. So I had a great time judging them.
May I know your name, please?
Hi, my name is Ayapan Madhumita.
I chose this volunteering category because I believe that I play a very active role in volunteering with the community at present.
Could you tell me about your achievements very quickly?
I'm from NUS High School. I'm currently in Junior College 1. Because of my involvement in community service, my school has awarded me the Community Service Excellence Award. I've also been part of the National Library Board. I've been volunteering with them for 2 years from 2013 to 2014. Then I continued on my service with the Singapore Science Centre, and currently I'm with the Singapore Red Cross.
I believe that volunteering takes up a lot of commitment in a person's life because you have to put time just for volunteering and to serve other people's needs despite the challenges that you might overcome in your own life.
How do you sustain it? Where do you see yourself 5 years from now? What kind of community service you'll be doing?
The reason why I am in Red Cross right now is that I want to help those who are suffering from natural disasters in future. So in a few years' time, what I wish to do is that I want to help those people who are really affected on the ground in many other countries, and hopefully I wish to join the organization called Doctors Without Borders.
It was a very fruitful experience. It was very heartwarming to see young children being to come on board to do community work, because most children are very focused on their academic excellence. So for them to set aside time to come and do community work, it's really heartwarming to see these kids sharing what they were doing.
I think we are both delighted by what you have shared. I want to know, why were you given the Outstanding Service Award in 2015? What was your contribution and how did you go about getting this award?
My contribution in that particular year was, as I've told you, to the Science Centre. So my school was delighted that I could contribute in a meaningful way to the math and science community, because I'm from a math and science specialized school. So they were pretty pleased to see that I could contribute in a way that I was very strong and very inspired by. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Can you tell me your name, please?
Rochelle Gupta.
Okay, what's your age?
8.
And you are an author at 8. Published author, is it?
Yes.
Amazing. So what is this book, Dreamadgination?
It's about my dreams. One day I told my mother that I wanted a real book, and she didn't understand at the beginning.
Basically, he told me that he wants to write a book, but the way we are going about it is, if he can write, everybody can write. So he should be, role modeling it for other children.
After I talked with her, she understood, and she asked me to write stories. And then one day when I was 7, she found a publisher, and then the publisher accepted my book and published it.
We published it only recently. We launched it in Singapore in February.
And then so far from them, I've been doing workshops in India, and I had a book launch in India and in Singapore. So all the money that I'm collecting from my book is going to LCCWA in Mumbai, in India, and I'm helping them get new resources. Like they're repairing things in their school and getting more stationery, and they're getting inspired. And my dream is to inspire other people.
I kind of like the boy because what he's doing is he has put his potential into a book, and then a part of that book goes to the community service to give certain things, probably provide the stationaries in India to the children who cannot have it. So I see a very sustainable model.
There are many stories inside the book from the age of 3 to 7 years. So over the years, the length of the stories gets bigger. So some of them are different categories, like one is about animals, another is about human. All of them are different categories.
So are you going to write other books and again put it for the charity?
I don't know what I'm going to do, but I am going to write other books.
That's amazing. You already have my heart. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes, I am very confident that I am working towards my goal of being a grandmaster.
Confident to be in the top 20.
I think I should get this award.
I hope to be the winner. I can beat the record.
But I'm hoping for the best. Singtel Young Achievers Awards 2017. Conceptualized by ABBA Events. We create memories. Produced by Video House, an international production house based in Singapore. We had renowned judges in each category. Who sincerely judged the performance of these superstars. Hey!
So it's a spontaneous piece.
Yeah.
You just created it with a little bit of reading in the morning. You created this piece. Oh, okay. So if I give you a title, you'll be able to speak about it.
Yeah, but I just need some time.
Just need some time. Great. I agree.
Without them, it would have been really difficult to select our achievers.
What do you like about fashion?
Dressing up.
Have you ever beaten any boy?
No.
No? Okay.
Don't be scared, don't be nervous, okay?
The Singtel Talent Achiever, I think it's a great platform for especially the youth. We need to continuously encourage them, and they can have all different strengths, whether it be innovation, whether it be sports, whether it be arts, musical. It actually provides a great platform for parents to bring their kids and to showcase what the kids can do, regardless of where they are.
What sports you do?
Cricket, soccer, and karate.
3 of them. What's your favorite sport?
Soccer.
Soccer.
He's our gifted child, Prem Kumar. His dream is to become a soccer player. So as a parent, we want to support him as much we can and to support his dream.
What competitions have you taken part in soccer?
I have taken Octo Cup and CFL tournament.
Octo Cup. Fantastic. So what's your aspiration in future? What do you like to be?
Ronaldo.
Say again?
Ronaldo, Cristiano.
You want to be like him? Fantastic.
Judges appreciate because at last he was thanked parents actually. He was said that I thank my parents for supporting me. So they got very impressed by his speech actually.
All the best. That's it. Thank you.
Before that, I want to thank my parents for supporting me.
Fantastico. That's very nice. You're the only one who say I got to thank my parents, which is very, very important.
When got the award, we really surprised and very got emotional. No way to say it.
On behalf of all the parents and children, thanks for organizing Young Achievers Award.
Very encouraging to see the Singtel Young Achiever coming up to showcase their achievement. It's a very encouraging moment, so that we should encourage more to come forward and showcase their talent.
My name is Keshav Rogan. I like to do origami.
You love to do origami. When did you start origami?
Actually, when I was K2,
Yeah.
okay, actually I came by this app called Origami.
Okay.
Those days I didn't know what was origami, so I just went to Wikipedia and then searched origami.
He started to do origami at a very young age. He started with the paper to make use of his time in a better way. Then we found that he is very much interested with the paper. So we started to buy the origami paper and ask him to concentrate on what he does with the paper.
What has origami taught you?
Origami has taught me to concentrate on something for a long time.
Okay.
Because usually I make things that also take 1 hour.
Okay.
I think every kid has talent in some things they do, be it robotics or sports. So, but the platform to go is that they need to find out the right organization to promote the activities they are doing.
I want to make a lotus on stage right now.
Ah, so you're going to show now?
Yeah.
Really? Okay, go ahead. Wow, beautiful. Thank you. Can you show this way? Wow, okay. Fantastic, fantastic. All right. Great, good job. Continue with that origami work.
This is what my suggestion is. The kids are of different standards. Some are already representing the country. So they should look towards beyond that. Beyond representing the country, how can I do better regionally, internationally?
See the confidence and abundance of enthusiasm in these kids. Most of them are here to have fun and give it all they have to show their best.
Yes, I am very confident that I am working towards my goal of being a grandmaster.
Confident to be in the top 20.
I think I should get this award because I'm really versatile in the fields of sports. I've got many awards and I feel that I have that potential to get this award.
I will do it.
I hope to be the winner.
I can beat the record.
I just want to express my talent.
I'm hoping for the best. This is my hobby.
Milk Sippy is milk flavoring straws that come in 5 different flavors, 5 exciting different flavors: chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, cookies and cream, and choco banana. It's going to make your milk exciting and fun. We're proud to be associated with Singtel's Young Achievers. I just want to wish all the participants best of luck and pursue your dreams, guys.
வேண்டாம் இந்த வீரவாள், வேண்டாம் இந்த மணிமுடி, விடை கொடுங்கள் வருகிறேன். ஜெய் ஸ்ரீராம், ஜெய் ஸ்ரீராம், ஜெய் ஸ்ரீராம். Singtel Young Achievers Awards 2017. Conceptualized by ABBA Events, we create memories. Produced by Video House, an international production house based in Singapore. Look at our young achievers rehearsing for their performance to impress their judges later on.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aditya. I'm grateful to be on the stage in front of you. Sarvasya prabhavah matah sarvam pravartate.
வேண்டாம் இந்த வீரவாள், வேண்டாம் இந்த மணிமுடி, விடை கொடுங்கள் வருகிறேன். ஜெய் ஸ்ரீராம், ஜெய் ஸ்ரீராம், ஜெய் ஸ்ரீராம்.
Some people want it out, feeling the catastrophe, but she knows she can fly away. Tell me not to fly, I've simply got to. If someone takes the spill, it's me and not you. A man's world, but it wouldn't mean nothing.
Are you ready for loads of fun, laughter, amazing talent, and critics from our judges?
Ready?
My daughter's name is Simon, who just now performed in the dance category.
Music, please.
Move your luck, baby. Move your luck, baby.
Sari raat se morning tak baby. Move your luck baby, move your luck baby. Sari raat se morning tak baby. Move your luck baby, move your luck baby. Sari raat se morning tak baby. Move your luck baby, move your luck baby. Sari raat se morning.
They give comments with her expression and all.
Hello, what's your name?
Simon.
Simone. What's your age?
7.
7. Who choreographed the sequence?
My mother.
Your mother. Okay. The choreography was okay. The way you started also. Only what's lacking is the expression, and it's on and off. The beat. You know what I'm saying? You have to go on the beat. That's important. Expression. You're traveling. The knee movement. What you did was nice. You have the caliber, but you need to get some professional training. That will help you. Okay, beta.
She was laced for expression, and also the energy level was not good according to me, so she need to work on it.
Who taught you this dance?
My mom.
Your mom taught you this dance?
Yes.
So how long have you been practicing this?
1 year.
1 year? Oh, 1 year you've been practicing this?
Yes.
Okay. You must understand, when you're dancing, you need to listen to the music and go according to the beat. So you need to practice a little more and understand the dance a bit more.
It's a good platform for all our young kids, and we saw a lot of amazing talents. Some of them may need more practice, more formal training. They already have the talent, but perhaps a little push, like a little formal training would be good for them.
Hello.
Hello.
What is your name?
Gia.
Gia. How old are you, Gia?
5.
Can I see your mom?
Hello. How are you?
5.
London to Magda. Can I see the mom also doing London to Magda? You choreographed, right? London to Magda. Yeah, that was nice choreography. The choreography was good. Can we see some? Come on, music. Thank you. I think for the audience of the Star platform, this is a nice platform to watch their kids perform for such big events. But what as a tip I can give as a choreographer, like the kids, they should go for professional training. Once they get professional training and once they get such big exposure, they can deliver more. Otherwise, they come on stage, they're half lost, how to perform.
Our excellent panel of judges are putting their heart and mind to encourage our young achievers.
Who's your guru for Bharatanatyam?
Under Jay Kshetra Arts, actually.
My friend here was telling you about the last step that you were doing. If you're going to repeat again, you have to really work on it itself.
Tune in again for the next episode of Young Achievers Award 2017. Yay! Singtel Young Achievers Awards brought to you by Singtel TV. By Canadian International School, a leading IB international school in Singapore. Co-presented by Milk Sippy. Associate sponsors Panchatantra Restaurant from the land of spices and Prudential Assurance Company. Always listening, always understanding. Makeup by Menika's Bridal. An initiative of Star Network. Conceptualized by ABBA Events. We create memories. Produced by Video House, an international production house based in Singapore.